Digital Lab is a new ingredient to National Highways, which is trying to make all the things available within highways, whether that's data, insights and innovation, accessible to the market in a more modern way. We reached out to Google as part of our partnership with them. We were really hopeful that we'd be able to use the Accessibility Discovery Centre. It's actually a really intimate space to drive out ideation, to hear opinions, to share views. It's imperative that we strike the right relationships and the right partnerships with the mobility ecosystem. There's a whole team of people that have looked at this issue and said, we need it to mean more.
When I first came to the Google Accessibility Centre today, I think the first word was wow.
I was blown away by this Discovery Centre. It's mind-blowing when I first come into reception this morning. Seeing all the toys and gadgets and everything that's in here was absolutely fantastic.
The stimulus material that was actually presented, it was really, really helpful to, the interactive exhibits, the recorded videos. Sometimes you can read a report and you can think you understand a topic, but that lived experience and hearing from it firsthand, quite powerful and visceral and motivating in a way as well to know that actually working on this can benefit lots of people.
If you get it right for people with disabilities, you get it right for everybody, right through to transport and the roads in which we operate across the UK and Ireland. It needs to be at the heart of everything.
To see the lived experiences of people and how that actually plays out in the real world is always really helpful, to be able to kind of think about a person, to think about an experience that someone's had as we kind of think about designing and addressing those issues as well.
There's stories about people having anxiety, having a routine that they have to go through the same routine. If that routine is disrupted with diversions or with noise, they struggle. They lose confidence in themselves. Keeping those people close to our heart, in our minds, I think is vital.
Accessibility can mean that everybody has access to the world, and that we currently live in a world that isn't designed for everybody. The social model says that the world disables people, not the person, and I think accessibility is so incredibly important to mean that everybody has access and equal opportunity.
I've been working in design for disability now for over 10 years, and what that gives me an opportunity is to engage with a range of people with all sorts of different needs, to understand what they want from products and to bring that into a design process to ensure that solutions are inclusive and that everybody can use them in the way they want to use them.
I also particularly enjoyed the session where we started just to kind of sketch out some ideas and things that we could work on together. It was quite free-flowing. It was messy in a good way, because I think that just speaks to the range of possibility, but also the range of complexity.
Toyota Connected deals very much in data. A lot of the data can be used to improve the experience for drivers and for Toyota and Kinto customers.
The insights that we're doing on driver behaviour, lane markings, imaging, CCTV, drone, etc. The data will be available through APIs. So it's a real plug-in to help the market better understand the needs of the digital roads of the future. Whether we make a big change or small change, we don't know what's possible. We'll find out. But was the time well spent? And did we absolutely set high standards for the change that we're trying to achieve? That's a great mission, that's a great purpose, but it needs a great team to pull together to do that. It's not going to be an individual, it's not going to be a single idea. So I think that's the final thing I'd like to take away, which is a big thank you to the team of people and the partners we brought in today to develop this experience and start that momentum.